high-speed bomber aircraft, and wow, we played music, people danced, we had La Rosa's Pizza, we had Budweiser products, we had Pepsi products, and we had acts, and then skydivers, and then jets, and then Melissa Pemberton, and we had this, which, by the way, all weekend long is presented by Wright Brothers Aero, Mr. Kevin Keeley and his entire staff. Now, Kevin, because the Golden Knights jumped on Friday night, look at that bit of weather, brought to you by Paul Stender, creating his own Midwest storm clouds, his own thunder, and his own lightning. It's Paul Stender at the school time, and we waited till after dark on the Friday night party before this man, who is sponsored by Wright Brothers Aero, and Mr. Kevin Keeley, who got the baton passed in mid-flight by the U.S. Army Golden Knights on Friday evening on their night jump. Then we fired up this machine. It is a school bus, but unlike any other that you have ever ridden, ladies and gentlemen. It is only about 5% original, and that 5% we think is the yellow paint. Inside rests the engine from an F4 Phantom fighter, of which we have run on ground display here this weekend. The F4 Phantom did its best work during the Vietnam War. It is an awesome machine built by that here in St. Louis, Missouri. But that thrust of that afterburner has been transported and moved inside of Paul Stender's one-of-a-kind high-speed school bus. It's called School Cat. Paul Stender's from a native of Big Bend, Georgia. He grew up racing motorcycles, snowmobiles. Today he made a jump into the big leagues, racing Badger and USAC. And you know what they said about Jake Power? He's taking his own weather. Taking it. Oh, did you smell that? That's kerosene burning. He will burn 120 to 150 gallons of kerosene. That's what you come up with the fact that this jet engine has the equivalent of 42,000 horsepower. There are few seasons for meteorite. The fastest speed so far on the ground without hitting off has been in excess of 360 miles per hour. If all goes well, all Stender from the Indy boys will be reaching a speed of 350 miles per hour. In addition to this most recognized and highly sought after form of airshow entertainment, we also have a Dodge pickup truck, and believe it or not, he has a jet-powered outhouse. That is not funny humor. It has 70 horsepower. It is propelled by a jet engine, and you can get it as a light-hearted actor at your airshow with one requirement: you must have a very bad Mexican restaurant in your town. All right, now get ready. Keep your eyes on that machine. A little bit of teasing. You saw the weather he created. He created 2 strong